Hi everybody, this is Jamie from Jamie's Hooks. I am opening up today my crochet surprise. So let's see what I got this time. Alright, I'm just gonna cut it open. This box was bulging. I got this. I'm going to assume I got it yesterday, which was November 30th. Today is actually December 1st. But I'm not airing this video until the 5th. Crochet Surprises asked us not to air videos for unboxings until the 5th of every month. That way that it gives everyone the opportunity to get their own subscription boxes, and therefore they can be surprised. You know, we don't want to ruin it for everybody, right? Anyway, so let's see what I got. Alright, so I just taken the tape off. Okay. Alright, let's open it up. Let's see. Okay. Pattern. Oh. It looks like there's a chart too. Oh, interesting. We'll have to see what that is. So I've got like two little pamphlets here. Okay, so let's open this up and see what this is. Oh, this looks like some kind of kit. Okay. So I've got a separate baggie of different kinds of yarns. Okay. I'm going to assume they're the same brand of yarn as what I have received in here. So this is Bernat's Super Value. Okay, so I got 3 skeins of Bernat Super Value. This one is let's see, what color is this? This is in oatmeal, and each of these Super Values are 7 ounces, which is 426 yards. So this one is oatmeal. This one is, can't read it upside down, forest green. So I think forest green should be a darker color, but this is definitely a green. So this is more, to me, it's more like a moss green. And then this one is in, what color is this? Teal heather. So that's kind of more like, it is definitely a teal. It's like a blue-green kind of teal color. Teal heather. Interesting. Okay, so what else did I saw something else in here. I've got some, I guess these are tapestry needlepoint needles. Huh. But they've got really big eyes on them, so we'll see what that is for. Okay. And then this one's called, and this is the tea of the month, which is called Anniversary Blend. So we'll open this up here in a minute and give it a good sniff. Okay, so I got 3 skeins of yarn, some tapestry needles, and or needlepoint needles, and then we've got this little bag of different kinds of yarn in here, just various. Looks like there's a red, there's a white, there's some brown. Okay, now I'm really curious about what this is for. So let's take a look at what our pattern says today. Now I'm just really curious. Okay, because then I saw this little chart here. Definitely it's got some holiday themed items on it. Okay. Oh, I like this one. These are for Christmas stockings. All right, now we're talking. Okay. All right. This I like. I like this. This is going to be cool. So what you do is you're making stockings, and then you're cross stitching these patterns onto the stockings. Very cool. I like this. This is something that I could use, definitely. Very cool. So let me show you what the stockings are supposed to look like. Like that. Pretty cool, huh? I think so. I don't know if we get. I think we kind of have a better view of that. Anywho. Very cool. I like that. That's cool. I like it. I don't know if I'll make stockings, but I kind of want to. If I've got time to, but if not, if I don't make them this month, I will definitely make them and have them ready by next Christmas for sure. Because I need new stockings. Mine look kind of ragtag lately. But that's really cool. I'm very impressed. Okay, so let's sniff the tea. Yes, I'm going to be a tea sniffer. Let's try this. This one's called the Anniversary Blend. So, let's see. It's an herbal tea. Okay, great. A knockout blend with notes of orchard ripened apples, spiced vanilla sugar, and buttery pie crust. So it's got apple pieces, cinnamon, honey bush, rooibos, chicory, carob, orange peel, sarsaparilla, nutmeg, natural vanilla flavor, sweet blackberry leaf. Oh, this sounds amazing. And some people call it sarsaparilla or sarsaparilla, same thing. So let's give this a sniff, which kind of has a really nice sweet flavor. All right. It's different. And I think what it is, it's the sarsaparilla and the chicory. But chicory really goes with a lot of stuff. So, I'm not sure about this one. It smells different. And I really do think it's the chicory accents. Because chicory goes really good with orange. But, I don't know. I guess it's something I would have to taste. It's got an interesting aroma. See, let's say again, cinnamon. I'm not sure what honey bush is. I know what rooibos is. Yeah, I can definitely smell the rooibos. And I actually like rooibos, so it's actually maybe pretty good. I'm really smelling the rooibos and the chicory together, and the sarsaparilla. Yeah, and it does have a little vanilla in it too, but that's really what I'm smelling. Yeah. Oh, it's going to be interesting to try for sure. I guess I'll have to do a tea tasting. I'm going to do it tomorrow when I get home from work. Yes, I have to go back to work tomorrow. Thanksgiving vacation is done. Anyway. Look, my cat Lincoln is trying to get in the bag. Look, he's right there. Oh. I can't figure out where I'm pointing. Lincoln. Psst. Lincoln. What are you doing? I have this paper bag in it that I brought my stuff home. And I left it on the couch. Lincoln! Hey, you. What are you doing? What are you doing? You know I'm looking at you. I'm talking to you. Bad boy. Anyway. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And we'll see you or talk to you later. Y'all have a good day. Bye.